Your hard floors see it all, from dry to wet to sticky. Introducing the new way to powerfully and completely clean your hard floors. Meet the Shark Vac Mop. The only tool to combine powerful vacuum suction with spray mopping, all in one revolutionary pad. Powerful suction pulls in debris. The pad locks that debris away and absorbs the wet messes. With the Vac Mop pad, you can trap and lock away what other pads just push around. And what traditional vacuums leave behind, the Vac Mop gets it all. Just vacuum, spray mop, and toss with one click. You'll never touch a dirty pad again. A whole new way to clean your hard floors. Only the Shark Vac Mop gives you a complete clean, all in one pad. Get your cordless system today.
With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set. Plug in and you're ready to start vacuuming.